So, you want to create and sell a school course, but you're not sure if it's the best platform or even how to get started. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step, plus a few things Skool doesn't tell you up front. And stick around, because at the end, I'll show you a way to get an exclusive free trial, plus better alternatives if you're serious about scaling. First, let's talk about how Skool actually works. Unlike traditional course platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, Skool is built around a community first model. You don't just sell a course, you create a membership based learning experience. This means your content is locked behind a paywall, but members also get access to a built in community, gamification, and simple course hosting. That's great for engagement, but it also means Skool isn't the best fit for one off course sales. If you want to sell a course without a recurring subscription, you'll need to get creative. Next, setting up your course. Skool makes it dead simple. You create a new classroom, upload your videos, add PDFs or links, and structure it however you want. The biggest limitation? There's no built-in landing page builder, so if you want to create a high-converting sales page, you'll need a third-party tool like ClickFunnels or Systemd.io. Also, Skool doesn't offer upsells, meaning you can't easily maximize revenue with one-click add-ons. The third thing, pricing your course. Skool is designed for memberships, so the best strategy is to charge monthly or annually instead of a one-time fee. Most successful Skool creators price their courses between $47 to $99 per month. If you want a free community with a paid course inside, Skool doesn't natively support that. You'll have to manually manage access. The fourth thing, marketing. Unlike platforms like Udemy that drive traffic for you, Skool doesn't have a marketplace. That means getting students is 100% on you. You'll need an external funnel, either through YouTube, a personal brand, or paid ads. Since Skool has a free community option, you can use it as a lead magnet, but you'll still need a way to drive people in. Now, the big question, is Skool the best option? It's great if you want a community-driven course with a recurring revenue model. But if you need advanced course marketing tools, custom landing pages, or one-time sales, platforms like Kajabi, Podia, or Systemd.io might be better. And like I mentioned earlier, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial link for Skool, plus the best alternatives depending on your goals. Whether you want the best community-based course platform or a more traditional course selling setup, I've linked them all below with exclusive benefits only available through our link. Check it out in the description.